Taliban sponsors of the protest. Taliban in his S handle said they have many protesters and many sponsors. He listed 40 sponsors. The name of 40 sponsors that sponsored the protest. One is hunger. Hunger is causing hunger is protesting for the citizen. High cost of living. Number 2. Insecurity. Number 3. Number 4 is light. No light, no power. Power failure everywhere. Number 6. Number 5. High cost of fuel. Fuel pump. High cost of fuel. Number 6. The padding of a budget. Padding on budget. Number 7. The high cost of living in Nigeria. The cost of Gary and yam and everything is high rocket. Number 8. The failure of the country to restructure. Number 9. Government budget, good road. Government not taking care of good road. Number 10. He goes on to say it over and over. We have many things that we have to talk about today. Their father. Who born them? Who born Peking? When they eat for dirty this thing. No agricultural development. Number 11. Number 12. No farm production. We are consumption. We are a country that consumes, not producing. Number 13. We lack good manpower and development. No water for the country to drink. Number 14. The list will go on and on and on until 14. We are not helping ourselves. Number 15. The educational system is collapsing. There's no plan for it. And any country that doesn't have a good educational system is meant to suffer. So Nigeria is suffering from this. No valid system. Number 15, 16. No valid system. They are failed to restructure a country. That's 17. Number 18. No good funding for the military and the police. Number 18. The salary structure is very low. They pay 30,000 before, but they increase to 70,000. But that's not helping us. A bag of rice costs more than 80,000. How can you manage that? Number 20. The cost of revenue going to the administrators is too much. Number 22. It's a big project to embezzle money for our pocket. Embezzlement by bringing big project. 23. On and on. 23. They don't have any plan for the country. Local government and restructure. Local government money is taken by the government by themselves for themselves and all. The INEC, 25. rigging of election. BVS not working. BVS this and that. At 26. There is no valid system in the country. Trump wants up to and system. People where ministers pay for appointment. 28. Buying of appointment letters. Sorry, or civil service is done. No sorry. That's 29. The filling system is the civil service is so sorry. It's so sorry. Pension funds. Pension funds and salary. It's in the ministry. It's not working out for real. You have to find a solution to all these things. Yes, sir. Number 31. The cost of buying diesel and fuel and oil has gone up from nothing to something. Their papa up to 30 sponsors. No security network in the country. The roads are bad. Government are crying. Who are the sponsor of this? They think the obedient is this and that. Not anybody. It's the country on fair ourselves. Yes, sir. The country on fair ourselves is pushing us to the wall. When you are pushed to the wall could push you back. Yes, sir. Taliban has said it. And that is the way it is. Area father. Don't talk him. We hail him. We don't need the bad governance. We need good governance. Title 33. 34. You don't lose our money and take it abroad. Use it, leave it here. Develop the country. Invest in agriculture and production. We are not consuming country. We will not be consuming. We have to be using money that we get for the development of the nation. 35. Cost of high interest rates. High interest rates is affecting our country. Texas. The traditional system should stay put and allow us to talk. 37. He leaves them all and all. So please and please, look at all these points and tell me what you think. If there is a way forward for us, or there is no way, find it in your heart to tell us what you think. Please and please. Yes, sir. Please and please. Let's find a solution to our problem.